na natin for the 10th pick of round number 3.
The Rainer Shine, Lasso Painter Select, Cole Mysek.
Cole Mychek goes to Rainer Shine as the 10th pick in round number 3.
Cole Mychek, a virtual unknown pero syempre, nagpakita din naman kaya nagustuhan nila dito sa Rain or Shine. At ano sabi ni Coach Cheng daw? Sabi ni Vanessa? Kailangan pogi sa Rain or Shine.
So, candidate to eh. Parang ilasto pogi rin. Sabi ni Vanessa yun.
Ito yun, ayun oh.
6-1. Alam mo, I had a chance to talk to Coach Caloy Garcia and I was asking him, ang daming manlalaro ba kailangan ng isa pang team? Ang sabi niya, well, they have to fight for a roster spot and the reason is marami rin naman silang players who have expiring contracts. So talaga maglalabanan. Yung mga players na nandoon na ngayon, hindi pa sila secured, hindi pa sila nakakasigurado, lalong-lalo na itong influx ng mga rookies sa kanilang kupunan.
Eh, ba't ka sasama sa stage para sumalubong?
Also, he played for the Macau Black Bears. And you know, if you look at this, alam mo nag-iisip din yung mga nasa lineup na ngayon but have a, you know, an expiring contract, you know, you're fighting for those spots, you're looking at the competition.
Yeah.
And if you're the team owner, if you're the coaches, ang gusto mo, laban-laban, araw-araw.
Laban.
You need to be able to put in that.
Walang
work.
sabing good problem, eh, no?